Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I just want to teach you some more interesting features of this application we're just making. Basically what we're just learning, making this edit button. Okay, as you know that when we just click on the add new person, so we're just getting this the modal, and we're just submitting the data. In the same way we just gonna create the edit button. We've created the delete button already. So now how to create the edit button, just click on the edit button, and now we just want to get the modal. So now let's just go to the back to the browser, to the notepad. Let's start working on that. So now what I just need to do, you can see that I just added the data toggle modal as there on the edit button, because I just want to make this button as modal. So we can add the modal anywhere, because you know that the modal has no actual place. It will be in the front of the screen. I'm just adding the modal just after the both buttons. Okay, here the modal I'm adding div. This div will be the modal, and go there and let's just add the class, the few classes which are really important to make a modal. If I just go to the index.html, you know that here we just made the modal fade. Why the fade? Because I just want to get the fade effect. And then the ID, which will be the main ID to identify this modal for the button. So I'm just going to the the process AJAX, and here the class modal and fade. Okay, awesome. Press enter, and the ID, I'm gonna add the ID as you can see. And then what more I'm doing here, any ID I'm adding something like edit person, as we just created the add new person. So now the edit person, and this button, the edit button, will be the the main modal, the button for launch the modal, the data target hash edit person. Now, and what more, I just need to go inside these divs here, and all these things which are really important for now. Another div, and in this div the class modal dialog, go inside again. Oh, sorry, go back here. Another div, class content, and something more. I just need to go down, and here now the main things, the modal header, modal footer, and the modal body. Modal header, duplicate modal body for the next one, and the modal footer. Now here I'm adding the header, here the footer, and here the body. For now I'm just gonna update that, but I'm just gonna test this out if it is working or no. Refresh the page and just click on the edit. Yeah, I'm getting something, the header, footer, but we need to update it. Probably we're getting some kind of problem somewhere. Yeah, exactly, this should not be only the content, this should be the modal content. So refresh the page again and click on the edit. Yeah, this is what I just want to get, but something more we just need to update. However, we just get the result. This should be the hyphen, not the underscore. Now refresh the page and click on the edit. Yep, the perfect ones. Okay, great. But now we just want a dynamic data, and now I'm just gonna get an issue. This is what I just want to teach you right now. Interesting feature about the Bootstrap. For now, what I'm just doing in the body, I'm just getting the name of the person. You know that this name is updating on every raw. The uname is updating on every raw. What I just want to teach you, just focus on that. These are the names, these are the edits. Every raw has a different modal because of its duplicating continuously. And here you can see that the Michael, the Lara, the name are also updating. If I just go there in a notepad, and you know that this is the uname, I'm just copying the uname, only the uname, and I'm in the TD after the U node, and here inside the body I'm just pasting the U name. Now I'm just going to the browser and refreshing the page. This is Shahzaib Kamal. If I just click on the edit, now I'm just getting the Shahzaib Kamal. That is awesome. But if I just click on the number 4, the Michael, and click on edit, again I'm getting the Shahzaib Kamal. If I just click on the Alexander, I'm getting the Shahzaib Kamal. What is this actually? Another issue, a solution, or a problem, or a headache? Let's just note, if I just type the number, U number, and refresh the page. Now click on the edit again, and now you can see that the main number, the top number only. If I just click on the last one, again I'm just getting the 1 2 3 1 to 9, and this is 1 2 3 1 2 3, and 1 to 9 is only the Shahzaib Kamal's number. That means it's only reading the first result. But what is the meaning of that? What is the issue actually? What do you think? When every raw is updating, then why it's only getting the first one? Just because an issue. You know that the ID is the unique thing, and we are just that all of them 1 2 7, there are 7 results, and all them has the same ID, the edit person, and the same button has the same ID. That's why only one is launching, only the top one. So how to solve this issue? We have to update the ID on every raw. How we can update? That this is a number, the C, as you can see there, and it's updating on every raw here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'm adding here after the edit person, I'm adding the $C. Now this will be the, where is the $C? I got an issue. Yeah, there is the C. Okay, now at the first raw it is the edit person 1, and then the second one it will be the edit person 2 and 3 and 4. But exactly we need to make a matchup. So here the and C. Now in every raw they both will be same. However, with this second raw they both will be different from the second raw, but both in a single raw will be same. In a same raw they both will be same. This is what I just want. Now refresh the page and just click on the edit now. Yeah, I think I should change the U number to U name to confirm that we are just going perfect. Save and go to the browser and refresh the page. Now click on the edit for the Shahzaib Kamal. I'm getting the Shahzaib Kamal, but when I just click on the number 7, the Alexander, click on edit, now I'm getting Alexander. If I just click on number 4, the Michael, so click on the edit, now the Michael. The Joe, so the Joe. Yeah, this is what I just want. If I just click on the Control U, here I just cannot, because that we're just getting the data from the process AJAX. So for testing the process AJAX page, we just need to go to that page, and then we need to search the edit ID key. So let's just go there, no issue. Process ajax.php. Now you can see that if I just click on the Control U for now you can see that this is edit person 2, so the button is edit person 2. This is edit person 1, so the button is edit person 1. That means it's going perfect. This is what I just want. So guys, now proceed to the next step, but I think in the next class. In this class I just show you that how we can get the data dynamically using the Bootstrap. We just need to update their IDs. We can update the ID by using any way, but the best way is incrementing the ID on every raw. We can do the looping or EDC, whatever you can. So guys, in the next class we will learn something more. Stay tuned and goodbye.